A Golden Valley school faces allegations dating back to the 1970s, claiming that administrators didn't do enough to prevent a teacher from abusing young boys.
A Twin Cities attorney announced a lawsuit today against the Breck School and a former Breck science teacher. Delane Cleveland joins us now with more. Delane?
Mike and Jen, former Breck student Richard Covin has filed a lawsuit against the school and former teacher William Jacobs. Covin is now 50 years old and lives in Wisconsin, but says that Jacobs abused him over a 3-year period in the early 1970s, starting when he was just 12 years old.
But I've chosen to take this step to come forward with my name, with my story, so that, this doesn't happen to another 14-year-old next week at a school in this state or in this country.
William Jacobs is a former Minneapolis Park Police Chief who also taught science at Breck from 1973 to 1975. In April, he was sentenced to 18 years in prison on charges of first-degree criminal sexual conduct for a different abuse case. This afternoon at a news conference in St. Paul, Covin's attorney Jeff Anderson released a sworn statement from William Jacobs in which he claims that Breck officials covered up abuse at the school and failed to alert students about his behavior.
They excel in educating students, and they get A marks in many areas of education. When it comes to child protection, Breck School gets an F. They have failed the kids, and they've failed to protect them.
Breck has filed a motion to dismiss the suit, claiming in part that the statute of limitations has expired. Covin's attorney, however, says that's not the case. And Mike and Jen, when contacted today, Breck responded by saying it's not appropriate for them to comment on pending litigation, but they say they have an unwavering commitment to protecting the safety and security of their students.
Okay, thank you very much, Delane.